In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add branded templates to Word, Excel, and PowerPoint start pages. This process is quite simple and can dramatically enhance the professional look and feel of your documents. Let's focus on how you can apply these branded templates specifically within PowerPoint, as the steps are largely similar in Word and Excel too. First, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. While this might seem like a straightforward step, make sure you're using the latest version to have access to all the features we'll be discussing today. It's always a good idea to keep your software up to date to benefit from the latest tools and security enhancements. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate directly to your PowerPoint presentation. If you don't have a presentation ready, you can simply start with a new one. It's entirely up to you. Your objective here is to ensure that you're working within the right environment where you can edit and apply design changes. Now turn your attention to the top of the PowerPoint interface and locate the Design tab. This tab hosts a variety of design options that are crucial for customizing the look of your presentation. By clicking on the Design tab, you'll enter a world of creative possibilities that can allow you to design slides that closely align with your brand's identity. Once you're in the Design tab, look towards the far right side of the screen for an option labeled Designer. Designer is a powerful tool that can offer you suggestions based on the content of your slides. However, for our purposes today, it's where you'll access a range of templates to enhance your presentation's aesthetics. After entering into Designer, you will see various template options available to you. Now comes the exciting part. You get to choose a branded template for your slide. This is where you can introduce elements that reflect your brand's essence, such as colors, fonts, and imagery that are consistent with your business or personal style. Take your time to browse the options and select one that best represents the look you aim to achieve. These enhancements do more than just alter aesthetics. They help convey your professionalism and attention to detail. Branded templates make your presentation stand out, ensuring they leave a lasting impression on your audience. Remember, consistency in your brand's visual identity can play a vital role in making your content more recognizable and memorable. And that's it! By following these steps, you can easily incorporate branded templates into your PowerPoint presentations. This approach can be extended to Word and Excel, following similar methods on their respective start pages. Overall, by leveraging branded templates, you're ensuring that every piece of work you present is aligned with your brand identity. I hope you found this guide useful. Don't hesitate to like, share, or comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.